guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am going to be planning for the week beginning November 14th to the 20th 2023 in my memory planner, and I'm using this SBC kit called, I think it's called 4 Leaves. It was a mystery from a couple years ago, but I never got this mystery. I did pair it with this leaves foil bundle from Press, and then I also had these leaf underlays from PlanWithAds that matched this foil perfectly, so I had to bring it in. And I had some overlays from Lina Designs also matching the foil, both the underlays from the PlanWithAds and the overlays from Lina Designs were both freebies, so I don't know what foil colour it is in their shop, but they matched perfectly and I was so happy to have them. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the rest of this base and I'll be back for the day by day. Okay, so starting off with the sidebar, I marked that Malik got his second tooth this week with this paper shire sticker. Then I marked that it was week 39 of my maternity leave with this girl from Bella Plan Ella and the script from from PMD stickers. So starting with Monday, I marked being ill with this tissue box sticker from Carly Plans. I marked that Malik was fussy with this sticker from What's With Love and the script from Tilly Journals. And then marked having my morning tea with this tea or hot drink sticker from Press. I then marked binge watching Castle with a TV icon from the SBC doodle sheet. I marked cuddling with Malik with this sticker from ScribblePrintsCo and a snuggle time script from Tilly Journals. I then marked doing some shopping with this Target bag from the doodle sheet and a grocery script from the foil bundle. I marked Malik playing with a icon from Planner Hannah and a playtime script from Happy Sticker Designs. I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs, so use my code Adiatu15 to get 15% off of your order. I then marked that he was teething all night and in a lot of pain with this baby grow icon from Press on the foil bundle. And then I marked watching shows with my husband with this couple sticker from ScribblePrintsCo, and I watched shows with Babe custom script from Make Plans. On to Tuesday, I marked that it was payday with this payday scribbler from SBC and a payday script from the foil bundle. I then marked doing some budgeting with the ScribblePrintsCo budgeting sticker and the script is from Make Plans. I marked having my morning tea with the hot drink sticker from the doodle sheet. I then marked being tired with this pillow sticker from the Crafty Planner Co and a tired AF script from from Carly Plans. Goodness me. I then used this ScribblePrintsCo's girl to mark cuddling Malik again and a circle time script from Tilly Journals. Pretty sure this time I marked it the whole week. I then marked that I was having some wisdom tooth pain. The sticker looks a bit too happy because I was not that happy, but I didn't have any other tooth stickers at the time. I then marked a plan with me binge with a planner icon from the doodle sheet and a binge watch script from the foil bundle. And then I used a TV from Planner Hannah to mark another castle binge. On to Wednesday, I marked having some tea with a tea icon from the Honey Bee shop. I then marked that Malik's second tooth cut through with this tooth fairy icon from Paper Shire. I then marked that I was still ill with this tissue box sticker from Kylie Plans. I marked being tired again with the same stickers I did yesterday. I then marked more snuggling the same way I had all week, and then I marked a plan with me binge with a planner icon from the foil bundle. I used a TV also from the foil bundle to mark a castle binge, And then I marked that Malik was fussy again, which was probably because of his tooth, with this Once More with Love sticker and the script is from Tilly Journals. And then marked binge watching shows from my husband again, with this couple sticker from Mick Plans and the script also from Mick Plans. On to Thursday, I used the star icon from the foil bundle to mark that I was starting to feel better. I marked giving Malik some more cuddles with the same stickers. I used this teacup from Paper Candy Art to mark my morning tea. Then I used the same teddy bear icon from PlanWithAds to mark playtime, and the script is from Happy Sticker Designs. And I'm pretty sure that's what I used the whole week also. I marked Apply With Me binge with this sticker sheet sticker from the doodle sheet. I marked watching some One Tree Hill with this laptop icon from the foil bundle. And then I used this computer icon from the doodle sheet to mark watching Castle, and then I marked watching shows with my husband with the same Make Plans sticker and the script also from Make Plans. On to Friday, I marked waking up early with an alarm clock icon from the foil bundle, and then I marked cuddling again with the same ScribblePrintsCo icon and Snuggle Time script from Tilly Journals. I used this teacup from Whimsy to mark having some tea, and then I marked playtime the same way. I used this Mailer sticker from the foil bundle to mark Apply With Me binge, and then I used a TV icon from SBC to mark a One Tree Hill binge. Then used this game controller from the foil bundle and a Babe Gaming script from Adobe Designs to mark my husband gaming, and then I used the sticker from Mick Plan to note us watching more shows, the same 2 stickers. On to Saturday, I marked being up early with the sticker from ScribblePrintsCo. I used this tea sticker from Paper Candy Art to mark having my morning tea. I then marked snuggling again the same way I did the rest of the week. I then marked a Plan With Me binge with a sticker sheet icon from Caress Press. I have this half box extender thing to mark a movie night. The movie clapper is from the foil bundle, and so is the movie night script. I haven't even read out the movie, so I need to do that. I then marked that my husband had to go and get an eye test with the stethoscope icon from the doodle sheet. I marked having a hair appointment with this Goldman and Cocoa Girl. And an appointment script from the kit. And then marked watching more shows with my husband, the same stickers as the rest of the week for Make Plans. Finally, on to Sunday in the extender, I marked that Malik was 7 months. This 7 months? That doesn't, no, it says 9, sorry. 9 months with the sticker from Glam Planner, and a Malik is a 9-month script, both from Adobe Designs. I marked that my husband had to go to the hospital or follow up on his eye appointment with this first aid icon from the foil bundle, and then I marked having some tea with this tea girl from a shop that I cannot remember the name of because I bought this ages ago. And then marked snuggling again with the ScribblePrintsCo sticker and Tilly Journal script. I marked a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button or YouTube laptop sticker from the doodle sheet and a YouTube script, both from SBC. Then marked more playtime with Planner Hannah icon and Happy Sticker Design script. I marked Watching Bad Chefs the whole season with this TV icon from SBC. And I marked getting some takeout with this takeaway bag from the foil bundle and a takeout script also from the foil bundle. And then I marked binge watching more shows with my husband, the same 2 Mick Plan stickers. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread. And yeah, I shall see you in the next one. Bye.